Okay, guys, I just put this quick video together to help those of you on remote to do today's practice set on interval notation. Today's practice set, the first five are examples, and they give you the same information as represented in four formats below: words, inequality notation, they call it set builder notation, interval notation, and on a number line. Okay, so the first example, all real numbers less than or equal to 2. And inequality notation would be x is less than or equal to 2. Do not worry about this x with the bar next to it. Okay, that just means the members of the set are. Okay, that's just very formal mathematics. I'm more worried about x is less than or equal to 2. All right, so there's the inequality notation. In interval notation, it would be all the numbers from negative infinity up to and including 2. So 2 got the bracket. Remember, infinity and negative infinity just get a parenthesis. And on the number line, if you were graphing that, on the number line, it would be a closed circle at 2 and then an array going to the left. Problem number 3, all the real numbers from negative 3 through 2 with 2 not included. So in inequality notation, that would be x is greater than or equal to negative 3. So notice negative 3 got equal because it is included, and less than 2, and 2 did not get the equal sign because it's not included. In interval notation, it would be bracket negative 3 comma 2. And if you were graphing on the number line, it would be a closed circle at negative 3, an open circle at 2, and you would just shade in between them. Okay, number 5. Real numbers less than negative 1 or greater than 4. Okay. In inequality notation, it would be x is less than negative 1 or x is greater than 4, written like that. In interval notation, the first part, x is less than negative 1, would be parenthesis, negative infinity, comma negative 1 with a parenthesis. That U stands for union, and that is the same thing as or. And then the second one in interval notation, x is greater than 4, would be parenthesis 4 comma infinity parenthesis. And on a number line, you would just have two separate rays. The first ray would be an open circle at negative 1 and shade it to the left. And the second one would be an open circle at 4 and shade it to the right. All right, so those first 5 are just examples. When you start doing them, they're going to give you one of the 4 ways, and you have to write in the other 3. So in problem number 6, they said x is less than or equal to negative 4. So in words, you would write out the real numbers less than or equal to negative 4. In interval notation, you would do parenthesis, negative infinity, comma negative 4 with the bracket. And then on a number line, you would just draw a number line, and you would have a closed circle at negative 4 and an array going to the right. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys complete today's practice set. I'll see you all on Monday.